Effective home remedies for lower back pain. Lower back pain or lumbar ache is the most common problem, which generally arises due to spasm or sprain in the ligament or the muscle in the lumbar chamber. Osteoarthritis and pressure on the nerve roots due to spinal stenosis and herniated disc. Stones, tumors, kidney infections, endometriosis, ovarian cysts, and hematoma may at sometimes lead to this ailment. Factors such as obesity, poor body posture, stress, pregnancy, wearing high heels, lifting heavy weights, and smoking maximizes the risk of your lower back pain. First, heat therapy. Put heating bands or hot packs on your back for 18 to 20 minutes. You can also soak in a hot tub or take a hot shower. For the best results, add Epsom salt to the hot water tub. It will eliminate the flow of blood towards the affected area and slow down the nerve impulses, thus reducing the pain. Second, cold therapy. Application of cold packs speeds up the healing process. Take some ice cubes, wrap them in plastic bags, put it on your lower back. It acts as an anesthetic and gives you quick relief. Third, potato. Grate a few raw potatoes and wrap them in a thin cloth. Use it as a poultice on your lower back. Keep it for at least 1 hour. Fourth, cabbage leaves. Put cabbage leaves in the boiling milk. Boil until jelly-like paste is formed. Drape in a clean cloth and apply on affected parts. This is one of the best natural home remedies for the lower back pain. Fifth, lemon juice. Extract juice of a lemon and add some common salts to it. Stir well. Drink it on a regular basis in order to get relief in the lower back pain. Sixth, milk. Milk is a good source of calcium. It strengthens the bone and minimizes the risk of osteoporosis and the lower back pain. Add a teaspoon of honey in the warm milk or water. Drink it to cure the pain. Seventh, oats. Cook some whole oats, mash them with the vinegar. Apply it hot on your lower back to alleviate the ache. Eighth, capsicum cream. Capsicum is a compound that is found in chili peppers and has an analgesic effect. When applied topically, it helps reduce several types of chronic pain, including the lower back pain. Apply capsicum cream 4 times a day. Initially, it will cause burning sensation or even sting, but later, you will be relieved of pain.
Thanks for watching.